Hey guys, I am Sudarshan here. I just captured this beautiful incident when I was staying right here. So let's see. I will show that. Yeah, there is a flock of parrots right there. As you guys can see, just making a sound key 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 like that. I think the fan sound is more than that sound, but it's very happy. It's very pleasing. It's very pleasure to hear this one because we are two kids, right? So we didn't hear any bird sound as scientists did. So that's it, guys. I want to continue my learning. So, Sudarshan signing off. Peace.